another Aurora Alternatives Typhoon ceiling fan in my friend's house, but this time this one is on a variable speed control, saying a solid state control. In other words, that means it'll probably go quite slow. I don't even know if it's on. Yeah, they're quite a nice slow low speed there. I think that's either the 48-inch or the 52-inch version. Not the 56-inch. I got it a little bit higher. If I'm not turning the lights down there. It surprises me because it's quiet, even though it's in a solid state control. And now I'm going to turn it up even higher. There we go. And now that's almost full blast. Now for full blast. There, that's full blast. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.